but that doesn't mean that the best thing they think is best for us is best for us. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is not the usual video from my side. Usually I'll be like giving more of tips on how to do, or some sarcasm will be there, or some of the criticism I'll be doing. It's naturally those types of video, but today I really wanted to speak from my heart to the people who are actually in need. That is the main reason why I'm speaking in English, and I hope this reaches as many as people as possible. That's the only reason that I'm speaking in English, and this will be the only video that I'll be speaking in English. Anyway, let's get started. It's been more than a year that I've started doing my masters, and I really wanted to share this one is that these days many of the students are, or many of the people who really wanted to do masters are really texting me and DMing me via Instagram saying that I am planning to come for Netherlands and I'm planning to do in this country. How about this branch? I'm planning to do robotics. What about that? I was wondering, does really people want to do masters? Or if so, why they want to do masters? I'm observing that people are using master as an escape from what the reality is there in India. Few of them are doing it because of parents are expecting too high from them. They want them to settle in abroad. Or few of them are trying because they want to get escape from their parents, because for girls they are trying to get married at the age of 24, 25, or even some they really want to do because their peer group is doing it. I strongly believe that please do not come for masters if you really don't want to do it, and if you're really not interested in doing masters apart from your education that you've already done. When you compare engineering and doing master, it's more of like engineering is like just playing with the pebbles, whereas doing master is banging your head to the big stone. It is so hard and difficult. It may not be the same experience for everyone. Few of them really enjoy doing masters. Example, few of my friends really wanted to do masters. They came out of all the difficulties. They didn't have a financial support, they didn't have parent support, yet they wanted to do master. That is the whole different case of scenario. But if you don't want to do masters, and if you're really, ask yourself that why you want to do masters in abroad, because it's a huge investment. It's not like you are doing something and out of nowhere you want to do master. If your parents can afford it, if you have 40-50 lakhs like out of spare, out of time pass, if you want to do it, then that's great. But if you're a middle class person and 50 lakhs is more amount for you, your parents can afford it, but you need to clear the loan, then please do think twice before coming for masters. Always have a calculated risk. Just don't do it because of a peer pressure. Calculate how you want to do it, why you want to do it, when you want to do it. Everything matters. Studying abroad is an amazing experience, and I can't stress you how good it is and how you can change yourself or transform yourself. But you need to ask it. If a minute problem appears in the process of this studying experience, then the whole thing will just ruin and they will scar you for whole life. Please do know what you want to do, and then please apply for master. It's a sincere request from the girl who come from doing masters out of nowhere. And I'm not telling that it's a very bad decision for me, but was it the best decision? Of course it was the best decision in terms of how I grow, how I learned, how I conduct myself, or how I speak to other person, or my confidence level. Will it scar me? Or 50 lakhs was a huge investment? Of course yes. So please do think before coming. And this is a sincere short video so that anyone can reach out. You can mail me or DM me anytime regarding anything. I'll definitely respond to it, and I show it to your parents. Parents these days believe that education is the only means of earning, and why not? Because it is like that in India. If you are educated, you can earn. Here in Europe, the gardener and the robotic engineer are paid equally. There is socio-economic equality. Is there the same thing in India? Of course not. If you're an engineer, you will be paid more. If you're a gardener, of course you will be below poverty line. That's the reality. That is the reason why our parents are forcing us to do education, pursue more of education so that we can earn a better money, better lifestyle, etc. But is this the same case from past 10 years? No. The world has changed in 10 years, which our parents are unable to see them. They want best for us, but that doesn't mean that the best thing they think is best for us is best for us. I hope it is not confusing. So just because your parents say that if you do masters you can earn more, you can have a better lifestyle, don't do it, because there are lakhs of ways, lakhs of different types and mechanism where you can earn money if you really want to do it. Now that from past 10 years the whole Indian economy has changed, the youths of India are different from what they were from our parents' generation. So please do think before coming. There are only handful of people who has courage to come up and speak and tell what exactly and how exactly it happens. Once you're here, you're done. You're like, this is my life, I've chosen it, I have to fight for it, I will be here. But there are very few people who come up and say, no, this was a wrong decision, I need to change it, no, this is not for me, no, I did it out of peer pressure or something. Just don't do master because of the heck of it. I hope this random video was helpful. I don't know, but this was a message that I wanted to say while this video. Hope you like it. See you guys next time. Until then, take care.